Want to make restaurant-quality pasta bolognese at home? Today, I'm breaking down the best meats, sauces, and pasta pairings to create the perfect bolognese. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're mastering authentic bolognese sauce. From choosing the right ingredients to cooking it low and slow for maximum flavor. Let's get started. First up, choosing the best meat for bolognese. Classic ground beef and pork mix, traditional for a deep, rich flavor. Feeling adventurous? Try lamb for a bold, earthy twist. Or go lighter with ground chicken or turkey. Less fat, but still delicious. Next, let's build the perfect bolognese sauce base. Start with mirepoix, finely chopped onions, carrots, and celery. Tomato paste and crushed tomatoes add depth and richness. Deglaze with red or white wine for extra flavor. For a creamy, velvety texture, add milk or ricotta. And don't forget the Parmesan rind. It infuses umami without overwhelming the sauce. Now, for the cooking process. Sauté the mirepoix first to build a flavorful base. Brown the meat properly to develop a deeper, caramelized taste. Simmer for at least 1 hour to let the flavors meld together. Stir occasionally and adjust seasoning to balance sweetness, acidity, and salt. Finally, picking the right pasta. Wide, flat noodles like tagliatelle or pappardelle hold the sauce best. Spaghetti or rigatoni are great for soaking up the rich sauce. Handmade orecchiette, perfect for a more rustic, traditional touch. Now you know how to make the perfect pasta bolognese. What's your favorite pasta shape for this dish? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more Italian recipes? Check out the Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and kitchen hacks.